Hi, I'm Bryce Pills. I'm a teacher and attorney in the Entrepreneurship Clinic here at the University of Michigan Law School, which is part of the Zell Entrepreneurship and Law program. I'm also a proud alum of our College of Engineering and Law School. In this video series, we're going to talk about intellectual property issues for startups and entrepreneurs. Our campus is buzzing with entrepreneurial activity like never before. We have 2 startup incubators right here on campus. We have 3 student-run investment funds operating right here out of the Ross School of Business. And we've had numerous successful exits from University of Michigan spin-out companies like Accuracy Cytometers, Health Media, Handy Lab, and most recently Lecture Tools. We also have a proud history of our alumni launching technology startups that change the world. Co-founders of companies like Google, Sun Microsystems, and Groupon are alums of the University of Michigan. And the inventor of Apple's iPod is also an alum of our school. So let's talk about intellectual property, which refers to legal rights in creations of the mind, and how intellectual property is such an important foundation for technology startups. As another alum of our University of Michigan has said, Jason Mendelson, a renowned venture capitalist, IP mistakes can kill a startup before they even begin. It's also important to note that intellectual property issues differ for startups as compared to big companies. Startups are typically cash-strapped. Also, under lean startup methodology, entrepreneurs are coached to go out and actively talk to potential customers to test the hypotheses behind their value proposition. Also, in talking to potential investors at a very early stage, entrepreneurs have to talk about their business and perhaps even their technology with someone who's probably not willing to sign an NDA. The notions of going out and actively speaking to third parties before you're ready to even launch a product may go against conventional legal wisdom, which would tell someone with an idea to hold it close to you and not share it with other people until you're ready to go to market. This is why it's important to understand not only the basics behind intellectual property, but how they relate to the launch of a potential technology venture. So we hope you enjoy this video series where we'll talk about particular aspects of patents, copyrights, trade secrets, and trademarks, and how they relate to entrepreneurs and startups. If you look closely in the background, we'll also take you around our campus and show you some of the sights and scenes from here in Ann Arbor. Thanks for joining us.